So, today we are cleaning a camera. I know the lens is clean, so I can take that off. I don't need to worry about that. That bit's good. So, we're going to wash this camera, give it a nice clean. So first of all, get some of these on. Just in case, you never know, there might be a virus around. We got these on. Yeah, all good. And we need this. Okay, so then we take some pond water. It's very important, it must be pond water. And you'll need some of this washing up liquid. So we put some washing up liquid in, just a little bit. Then we can add some pond water. A few bubbles. Give it a mix, very important. And then you can wash your camera. You need a sponge. Make sure you get some inside because that's very important. The inside must be clean. Very important. Give it a rinse just to make sure. Oh, and a bit of this, just hand sanitizer, just to rub it in, make sure there's nothing in there. And there we go, how to clean your camera. Thanks for watching.